the Intelligent Bunny, and today I'm going to be talking about the selectively permeable membrane. The selectively permeable membrane has a phospholipid bilayer. This phospholipid bilayer has phosphoheads, which are polar, which means that they attract water. And then from those heads, there are little tails, which are lipids, and those are nonpolar, which means they don't attract water. Today I'm going to show you how the phospholipid bilayer works. How I'm going to do this is we're going to fill this cup up with water, and then we're going to put oil at the top. The oil is going to act like the bilayer, or the lipids. Alright, now that we see the oil, we're going to put the color dye in and we're going to see what happens. As you can see that the bubbles are starting to pop out from the oil. This is because the oil doesn't like water and it just goes straight through. Alright. As you can see now, all of it's starting to go through the oil. This is the selectively permeable membrane because it is allowing certain things to go through. Over time, more of the green will go through and it'll start to diffuse. This is how the phospholipid bilayer works. Hello, I'm the Smart Elf, and today I'm going to teach you about diffusion. Diffusion is when particles in the cell move from high concentration to low concentration, and they'll do this till they get to equilibrium. Today I'm going to show you an example of how diffusion works. Here we go! So what I'm going to do today is take this color dye and put it in the water, and we're going to see how the color dye diffuses, and we'll see how it gets to equilibrium. Now we can see that the green is spread equally about all the water. This is called equilibrium. Diffusion is when the color dye was put in and then it started spreading all around. During diffusion, the particles go through the selectively permeable membrane. Hello, I'm Susie, the train driver, and today I'm going to be talking about facilitated diffusion. It's also known as facilitated transport. And facilitated transport is when the particle or molecule needs the support of protein to pass through the membrane. It's different than active transport, which needs no energy and no support to pass through the membrane. And today I will be giving you an example of how this works. So, an active transport can pass through the membrane without any support of protein or help or any energy. And this is how it works. As you can tell, the molecule went without any help, it just went straight through. Now I'm going to show you what facilitated transport looks like, and it's different because it needs support. So here we go. You can see how facilitated transport is different because it needed a protein to help the particle. Yo, what's up, dog? It's DJ Jumper here. Oh my god. Today I'm going to be talking about some cell dehydration up here. Let me explain something to y'all. Cell dehydration is when water leaves the cell. But if too much water leaves the cell, then the cell won't be able to function properly, so this could be a problem. But you know, dog, sometimes it ain't a problem. Yo, you know, cell dehydration can occur anytime. Osmosis, You name it, man, it happens. I can't be a gangster. Hello, I am the wonderful angel. Anyways, today I'm going to be talking about osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water. I'm going to be showing you how osmosis works by doing an experiment. In this experiment, I'm going to have 2 plates. Yes. And then you fill both with water, and then you put salt water in one of them, and the other one's regular water. And then you're going to take 2 potatoes and place them on the plates, and then you're going to give it a couple hours, and then we're going to see the difference between the salt water and the fresh water. Let's get started. Cell dehydration is the loss of water from a cell. If you lose too much water from a cell, the cell might not be able to work properly. Cell dehydration happens when osmosis occurs.